Hey guys, so today we are at Lucky Strike. Now the name Lucky Strike suggests this game is all about luck. There's no skill involved. If you're lucky, you'll get a strike. If you're not lucky, you won't drop any pins. Having said that, let's try out our luck. Whoa, this is a gaming arcade it seems. I thought this was exclusively bowling lanes, but apparently not. So are we going straight to bowling or are we getting distracted by all the distractions? I'm trying to go right, but for some reason I keep walking left. This reminds me of slot machines. Music is so loud here that I can't hear myself, but I hope my voice is getting recorded just fine.
Guess what? Your favorite game?
My favorite game?
Yeah, shoot, right? In the cup?
Oh no, that's not my favorite game.
I thought it was.
No, my favorite game is what I'm just about to play right now.
That is?
It involves a big ball. It usually has 3 holes in it. You put in 3 fingers, bend over if you're not old enough. But if you're my age, you know, your back really hurts. Then you just stand like a rock and throw the ball and hope for the best.
And let me guess, that is?
Blowing. I mean bowling. Did I say blowing? Beautiful looking shoes. Okay guys, we are ready to rock and roll. Lane number 35 it is. The first person going in is Teshna, then Harsh, Kaushal, Arishma. Teshna, you're ready for you to rock and roll. Go get it.
Let's go.
Uh-oh. Well, the good thing is you get one more shot.
Yeah, it's pointing up left or right hand. Ooh, laga. Let's go.
Okay. It's better than nothing.
So your turn.
Okay, come on, Lucky Strike. Give me all the luck. Mwah. Okay. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Yeah, okay, this is good. Alright, can we start off with a spare this morning? Maybe not. Okay. That was a disaster. But I'm 2 points ahead of you though.
Yeah. Kaushal bhaiya's turn.
Kaushal's turn. Everybody's kissing some balls here. Balls lovers in the house. All right. What is that? Okay. Better than 0. Okay, Kaushal part 2. Kaushal part 2. Oh, this looks a good thing. Okay. I think he did better than I did. Oh no, we are at par 7-7. Okay, Arishma, you are up. Let me look for some good balls here. I need good balls. Let's try the small one time. Okay. Everybody's on the board. Everybody's on the board. I don't know. Look at the scoreboard.
She got 7
Did you show the score? Okay, game 1 is done. Everybody is tied at 7 besides you. You are at 5. Okay, let me hold the camera while you go make your score look a little better.
I'll take out my jacket.
Take out your jacket. Alright. That looks like your secret recipe to win. Did it work out? You wanna put the jacket back on then?
Oh my god.
Okay. At least you are not a complete dud at least.
Yeah, at least something.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm up.
Come on.
When I hear a lot of commands, that motivates me usually. But not when I'm really sleepy, and these guys woke us up in the morning so early. Wait a second. Really? That's how you do it. That's a strike. Oh.
Your turn. Yeah.
Sorry guys. I tried being terrible, but what to do? Oh, I have competition it seems. I think it's something to do with the weather. I think everybody's feeling very striky.
We just got 2 back-to-back strikes. Let's go, let's strike.
Strike. Come on.
Come on. I think yes, it is possible. Oh, almost possible. Very close. Yep, a spare is very achievable if you ask me.
That's only 3. Come on.
Okay, I think she got it. Oh.
That's only.
Ooh, that was as close as it can get. Okay, it's your turn.
Let's go.
Alright. Come on, Bebo. Get it.
Come on. Sabja phate.
Hey! What? Everyone's getting strikes, man. My strike just got undervalued because everybody got strikes after me.
But मैं नहीं मारूंगा strike. दो बार नहीं मारना मिलता यार.
Come on.
I was not expecting that.
Oh yeah, nobody was expecting that. So you surprised us. Can we do it back to back?
Fair.
Yeah, a spare is doable. Should I wait for the same ball? Lucky ball? Yeah, I like that ball.
Okay,
Okay. Is it? Okay. Not a strike, but at least a spare.
Right?
Fair. ओए! अबे
ये पॉइंट कैसे देता है?
कितने पिन्स गिरे उसके ऊपर और प्रीवियस
कॉन्सेप्ट को पिंस गिरे उस पर भी देता है?
नहीं कितने गिरे उसके ऊपर और प्रीवियस राउंड में क्या आया था उसके ऊपर, इसलिए इसमें बैक टू बैक स्ट्राइक पेयर ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर प्रीवियस आपका स्ट्राइक है तो नेक्स्ट राउंड योर पॉइंट्स आर डबल्ड, ऐसा सब होता है। आई थिंक शी गॉट इट, आई थिंक शी गॉट इट। ओए
That was unfair, huh?
हाँ
That was unfair.
ओह या आई थॉट शी गॉट इट।
पैर मारने में ज़्यादा फायदा है। Just because we are using 2 balls for that. स्ट्राइक में तो एक में ही बॉल में खत्म हो जाता है। अरे पॉइंट तेल लेने का, बॉल जितना ज़्यादा मारने को मिले इतना अच्छी बात है।
ओहो
Anda.
अंडा
Anda.
ओके आई एम अप।
Come from here.
आई गॉट इट।
ऐसे दौड़ के जाके भी मारूंगा मैं।
बैंड हो गया थोड़ा, आई हो।
ये वाला हार्ड हो जाता है फिर। ये ऐसे बहुत डिस्टेंस में मिलता है ना मारने को तो जल्दी हो जाता है।
That's big. Go with it. Right. How about that?
हो गया।
Another spear.
ओके
You look like a pro in this, huh?
डू आई?
Yes. You get it like strikes and spear. Look at my ball.
1 2 3 स्टार्ट, रनिंग चालू है।
Okay. Let's go forward.
कोई बोलेगा तेल लेने का है?
कुछ बोलेगा कोई नहीं, पर खाली तो उड़ना मत और गिरना मत।
गुड शॉट। इसको भी ऐसे नहीं कर सकते ना दूसरी बार। इसके पहले 6 था पर बोल तो 3 ही थे। लाइन पे भी डिपेंड है पॉइंट, आगे वाला
नहीं।
गिरता है।
वैसा नहीं है। स्ट्राइक स्ट्राइक हे ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है।
तुम 2 बॉल लेके जाओ, 2 हाथ में 2 बॉल लेके। अरे मेरा होता तो मैं तो 2 बॉल लेके जाने वाला था।
ये सरफेस कैसा है?
What does make you feel?
Okay, guys. So we've had a strike, a spare, and then a spare. All of that happened from this distance, which is usual, right? And I think this is too easy for me. So I'm gonna step back, give myself more distance, and I'm gonna go all the way behind. Behind. What do you think of this spot? Do you think I can roll a strike from this distance? We will find out in just a moment. No, we cannot.
How do you feel about that?
How do I feel about that?
Yes.
I am very depressed.
You missed a chance, a golden opportunity to win.
I'm not here to win, I'm here to have fun.
Okay.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Let's
Ultra
go.
long shot. Can I get any pins?
Yes, you can. You got a spare. Ooh.
Almost.
Now Kaushik Bhaiya's turn.
Huh?
Kaushik Bhaiya's turn.
लॉन्ग शॉट तेरे ऊपर है मैं तो ऐसे ही लॉन्ग शॉट मारा था
लॉन्ग शॉट ही ट्राई कर
कर
ऐसा चल रहा है ना
I thought he was doing long shots.
I thought for a second he was going to
Whoa!
but then he
That's a
decided to
spare.
beat me first
वो कौन सा चल रहा है अभी
Oh yeah. Akshay Khanna dance move. That's how they do it.
come on this is a strike it's looking like one not to be
She is trying her level best.
oh yeah
थोड़ा जोर से मारो जोर लगा के साइड से ही मारो और साइड में लगा ये मेरे को नहीं होगा
So you guys can tell they are married, right?
oh yeah
मैं इतना दूर घूम गया
so at the half-time point I'm leading 63 points but Kaushal is right behind he has a spare he's at 47 so this next round is going to be very important for me okay next up let's see hey looking like a strike ooh almost
उन्होंने उल्टा रखा है वो अभी
okay
उसको
the
गिराना
spare looks very achievable
मेरे जितनी ताकत लगाओ
Okay. Let's go.
guys it's not about power it's about perfect position of where your ball hits
We know that.
फोकस
Focus.
oh I think you got it ooh barely
I'm still at the lowest. At a new game, I'm lowest.
no surprises
No surprises, yeah.
okay now what another long one
Up to you.
I'm confused guys suggestions long one or short one
Up to you. Oh, you're at 63.
okay long one again sorry almost
Wow. You got such a good aim.
huh
You have such a good aim.
really okay, where's my ball now
It's still coming. Go with number 6.
no I got it Idiot. Who is next? Oh, Kaushal is next.
Yeah.
So where are we? Okay, Kaushal has a good chance.
So guys, you can also order from here. So you just tap drink, eat or drink. I don't think we are ordering anything, yeah?
I'm not feeling like eating right now. And then we have to go for lunch again after this.
What about drinks?
Huh?
Like a Coke or something.
Yeah, get a drink or something, whatever.
Okay. 2 to go. Let's go for spare.
Here?
Yep.
That's what I said. You said, baby, this is gonna be.
Ooh, so close.
This is the shot I needed. My last pin was there, right?
Yeah.
Run those 16 seasons for the
Drinks. Let's do soda. This. Wow, it's $4.99. Oh. You got this.
Heavy bowl, extra large. Galat.
I think she got it.
She got it. Oi!
What the heck?
Personal coaching,
नाखून टूट जाते हैं भाई.
bowling coach. I think strike. Oh my goodness, it really looked like a strike from here.
I thought so too. I'll just wait for that one to come.
Yeah, this will be an easy spare, straightforward.
I thought that last time too.
Waiting for the
I
ball.
think I got 9 last time too. Let's go.
Game पे.
One game. So until all the blocks are filled. So I'm next. It's been a while since we saw strikes, guys.
Yeah. You gonna go for a strike?
Yeah, I'm not doing a long distance shot now. I'm going back to my position, trying to hit it. Let's get a good shot.
I've been practicing this moment, but I never thought I'd see you
So close.
Yeah,
Almost there.
yeah. Okay, let's use another ball. Not gonna wait.
Woo! That's a spare.
ये वाला था. Yeah.
Selecting ball is so hard, huh? Selecting which ball you wanna take is so hard.
Oh yeah. I think you should put a sticker or your initials on the ball. I think this is a strike. Oh, turned out to be a split. Split.
रेट मारने का कोई फायदा ही नहीं.
जब स्प्लिट मारते हैं तो रेड कलर में आ जाता है.
So that means it's a harder chance to get it.
Oh, it's almost impossible.
Okay.
रेट का मतलब impossible.
Almost impossible. स्प्लिट नहीं मार सकते कोई.
Prove them wrong.
करिश्मा दिखाओ अपना करिश्मा. आग लगा दो.
आग लगा दो. ये लाइट वेट. रुको. जोर से. इतना लाइट वेट बॉल लेती हो ना कि बेचारा बॉल एक बार टच होता है साइड पे चला जाता है. पता है वो पहले वाले पिन को टच करता है और वो बॉल ही साइड में चला जाता है.
Lightweight ball. Hey, I think she got it. Come on, spin. Ooh. Chances थे कि वो bottle bounce हो सकती थी वैसे.
Can I go with 10?
One more, right? I think you got it, Devo. Hey! Hey! How do you feel about that?
Good. Very good. I should be 1 numbers ahead now.
Okay, my turn.
I'm still lowest.
You got it.
Ooh.
Come on.
हो जाएगा.
हाँ, हो तो जाएगा.
Go with heavy ball.
Oh. Don't spin too much,
And
idiot.
that's not a spare.
Not a spare.
I was ready to say spare.
Oh yeah, I was ready to say spare too.
Your lace is open.
Oh yeah, I'm ready to trip and fall.
Hazard alert. Let's go, Kaushal bhaiya. Ooh, so close. So close.
Yet so far. Have you heard that before?
Yeah. Oh my god, you're almost close to 100.
Yeah. I'm leading the pack.
You are. And he got a spare right
No,
now.
no, I don't think so.
Oh, 1 left.
Karishma time. We need to see some Karishma today.
Meanwhile, they're getting ready. 49ers are winning right here.
What kind of Karishma can she show? Do you think she can break that screen there where those cheer girls are standing?
I can do that. I can do that.
Okay.
मेरे कारण कैसे मैं इतना दूर था.
करिश्मा,
अरे इसमें बॉल ऐसे पकड़ो.
इसको आपको जितना भी झापट लगवाना हो वहाँ से खाली से उंगली करो. 2 तो मैं यहाँ 2 दे दूंगा.
Not bad. मेरा
1 or 2. Oh, your turn.
अब झापड़ के लिए तैयार थे.
तो थोड़ा पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करते हैं अब.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
No!
Got
Stupid
her.
fella. Stupid Dumbo Wumbo.
Come on, you have one more chance.
0 गया जिसमें डबल पॉइंट्स हो सकता था.
Oh yeah.
Double points. लाइन पे डबल पॉइंट होता है.
नहीं, मेरा स्पेयर था ना उससे पहले.
So
63. Okay, not bad. Closer आ गया. Oh,
for the Christmas tree next to me, with you gone, baby, with you
Let's go with this one.
gone, all this warm red wine just makes me cry.
गलत बॉल था ये. Disaster ball. Go back to our OG ball here. This is our OG ball. This has hit all the strikes and spares.
what the hell?
What the heck?
Just one.
I know. If somebody says what the heck, I'm like, yeah, what the heck? Tell me what the heck. I don't know what the heck.
My turn.
Wow.
बहुत ज़्यादा जोर से मार दिया बस। बॉल लेके चला जाए।
Whoa, so close.
So not close. What else to say? So terrible.
And that's it.
Is it a strike?
Oh my god.
No.
That's split.
That's a split.
Show here. Show here.
Oh yeah, let's see the scoreboard. Split.
Split.
Split. Split का मतलब है you are terrible है ना?
कोई ऐसा सब नहीं देते, हम लोग क्यों नहीं देते?
She got so many reds. She got so many splits.
Come on,
Okay,
give her
at
2
least 2
points.
is down. Fly.
Ooh.
I think split में एक और extra chance देना चाहिए नहीं?
तभी उसका स्प्लिट बोलते हैं. 2 चांस दिए तो एक वहाँ मार लोगे.
Okay, this is the final game, right?
Yes, final game. This is your
I
last
think I'm
chance.
gonna lose.
You can get 3 strikes in a row. This time, if you do 2 strikes, you get a 3rd chance. I mean,
Okay.
if you do a spare, you get a 3rd chance.
Okay.
That's how round 10 works.
Come on, साइड में
Okay.
आ जा।
Jump कर देना चाहिए था उसको.
जंप ऐसा आगे एक जंप वाला रखते हैं।
वही.
एक पत्थर छोड़ दो। एक पत्थर
Come on.
ऐसे जंप करके अंदर आके जाए।
Spare. Let's go spare
Get
right
it,
now.
get it.
Come on, yeah, right.
Oh, we.
Ah! It shake and stopped. It shake and stopped.
Come on. स्क्रीन तोड़ दे तू भैया। इतना जोर से मार के बॉल दिखे नहीं।
Whoa!
दूसरा बॉल मारने का चांस नहीं मिलेगा। तुझे दूसरा बॉल मारने का चांस नहीं मिलेगा।
3 मार सकता हूँ मैं अब. I mean 2 मार सकता हूँ और अभी मेरे चांस ही चलेंगे.
Strike. Let's go.
If you last
Yeah,
chance में ऐसा
it's
होता
still
है.
your chance.
I know. उसमें दिखाता रहेगा किसका चांस है. Come on, where is the lucky ball?
You're gonna wait for your lucky ball?
Oh yeah, the lucky ball is back.
Woo! So close to strike.
Oh yeah, I have a chance to close it as a spare. This will still remain my chance.
You're still gonna wait for your.
Oh yeah,
कौन? एक ही बचा है।
2 है, उसके पीछे एक और है.
अरे पर ये तो गिरेगा ही गिरेगा।
Okay,
I think this is the last chance.
this is my last chance.
Yeah. What? It was so close.
I know. Anyway,
How could you do this? How can you not get a spare?
just the way you saw it. Okay, my game is over at 126. Kaushal has a chance to beat me if he can go 3 strikes in a row.
Yeah.
3 strikes in a row.
देखा है मेरे शक्ल पे लिखा है कुछ?
You can do it.
नहीं लिखा भाई। Ready?
Yes.
Looking game over-ish.
बस मैंने एक साइड का मार दिया, दूसरी साइड का बाकी है। दूसरी साइड का मैं मार देता हूँ।
दूसरी साइड का सब मारेगा तो एक और चांस मिलेगा.
अच्छा।
हाँ.
और एक बॉल मारने को मिलेगा।
अगर सारा गिरा दिया.
या
सारा
बॉल
गिरा.
मार सकते हो एक साथ।
I think he got it. Oh wow. One man standing.
ओके.
Oh,
करिश्मा
shit, मुझे नहीं मिलेगा।
करिश्मा,
Okay.
2 चांस में आपको एक पिन गिरानी है, लास्ट नहीं आना हो तो। ऊपर का काउंट 72 पे क्लोज हुआ है, आप 72 पे हो। So the only way you can not win is blow up both your chances.
या अगर दोनों नीचे गया मैं आप लास्ट हो जाओगे। ओ नहीं, हम ड्रॉ होंगे,
हाँ।
ड्रॉ रहेंगे।
Come on, come on.
You got this?
Okay, I think she got it.
Yeah.
Okay,
2 मार दिए।
some pins on the board.
Okay.
ये 7 ही हमेशा क्यों देता है? इसमें 7 कितने? 1 2 3 4 7।
आप लोग रूलेट पे नंबर 7 खेलो।
हाँ, 5 तो 7 इसको ही दिए है।
I think she got a spare.
I don't
oh
think
no. Too far.
Okay, and
I
that's
lost.
going to be the end of the game.
I lost.
383 points scored.
All I know, I lost.
All I know, I won. Walking out, crowned as the winner. Autographs are available on request. That's going to be our vlog. We'll call it a session. We'll be back again tomorrow with some other kicking ass video. Subscribe to show us some support, and if you want to show her some support, please subscribe without a B.
Subscribe.
That's what they wanted to hear.